channel. My name is Arnav and this is my best friend Eklavya. And today, well, this is he's sitting right next to me. I don't have a camera. So anyway, today we are going to show you the best laptops that you can get. So the best laptops that we could get are normal laptops or gaming laptops. Our price points for normal laptops are written here with RM and dollars. Our best price for gaming laptops are also written here. If you want to see those prices, please pause, but you don't even need to do that because we're gonna write them afterwards anyway. So, my friend Eklavia here would be showing us the best laptop that you could get for under 200 ringgit.
2000 ringgit.
2000, yeah.
That is the Asus VivoBook Go 15 1504F E 1504F. The Ryzen 3 7000 series with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and it with a display of 60 Hz and 1920 times 1080, and it costs only 1899 ringgit, which is good value for money.
Yeah, he's right. But I have to tell you some few disclaimers first. Number one, price might have increased after recording. Number two, in the cheaper laptop, don't actually do gaming on them because you're gonna destroy it. And if you don't like the laptop, it's not our fault. Thank you. And so, as I was saying, here is the website of that laptop where you can also get 16 gigabytes of RAM, Ryzen 5, or any color you want with an FHD display. Okay, now I will be telling you the best normal laptop you could get under 3000 ringgit. One is the MSI Modern 15B7 and 062 business laptop. This comes with Windows 11 Home, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, 15.6 FHD display with 60 Hz, Ryzen 7, yes, 7000 series, 512 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and AMD Radeon graphics. And here's the website of it, and here's everything that you get with that laptop if you want it. Next, my best friend Claudia here would be telling us the best laptop that we could get for under 5000 ringgit.
That is the Asus Swift lightweight laptop or the Swift Go 14. That's Windows 11 Home. And whether you believe it or not, Intel Core 9 Ultra with a 185Hz and a 32 gigabytes RAM along with 1 terabyte 4 Gen SSD. It is a 14-inch touchscreen display with an Intel Arc graphics. It is too good to be true about to me.
Yes, as of time of recording, the laptop is 200 ringgit more than we found it for, but still, man, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Get it before it's gone. Like if people find out about it, woo-hoo. So next, I will be showing you the best normal laptop that we could get under 7,000 ringgit. Now, we couldn't actually get a better than the 5000 ringgit laptop which is Windows. So we decided how about instead of pissing off Apple fans, we could give them a MacBook Air as a recommendation. Yes, if you're doing anything other than gaming for 7000 ringgit, this is probably your best bet. It has a 13.6-inch display, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. It has an Apple N3 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and a 16-core neutral engine. I'll tell you, if you're in search for a 13-inch laptop, this is one of the best if you're not for gaming. But the reason I recommended this instead of a 15-inch MacBook Air or a 13-inch MacBook Pro is because this is the only one for that price where you could get 16 gigabytes of RAM. And if you know me, I have an 8 gigabyte of RAM. I used to have an 8 gigabyte RAM laptop, and don't get me started on it. So next, my friend Eklavia would be showing you the best normal laptop that you could get under 10,000 ringgit.
Okay, this is quite good if you think about it. MSI Prestige AI Studio V1 VGG 60 Business and Productivity Laptop. That's 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD, 16-inch display with a 4-star Ultra 155Hz and with a GeForce RTX 4070. I know it's not as good as the Acer which is a CPU, but it's a way better GPU than 5000.
Like you do not know the difference between a ARC and a 4070. Like it is light and day. I actually went to Maxis and tried this out. It is so much better than ARC. And next, the most expensive non-gaming laptop that you could get in a pretty big mile is the MSI Creator 16 AI Studio A1 VHG laptop. What can I say? If you're playing any game, you just buy this thing. Play. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 2 terabyte SSD, 16-inch display, Core 9 Ultra like the 5000 ringgit 1185H, but with an RTX 4080. This is our this is our normal laptop list, and we'll catch you again for the gaming laptop list. Thank you for watching the gaming normal laptop. I'm saying this because we are going to record the gaming laptop one afterwards, and I'm probably gonna start it anyway. So, like I said.